When using a drill press, I was having trouble holding onto the piece by hand. It's really kind of a stupid thing to do, especially when using a Forstner bit. Just a bad thing to do. So I purchased an inexpensive drill press vise, and that was better. I could hold the piece firmly, but I didn't really want to bolt the thing to the table because that would limit my ability to move it around. So I found this quick release seat post clamp for a bicycle, and I put some big washers on either side of it and used that to hold the vise to the drill press table. I was a little worried about having just one hold down, but it's been working very, very well. When I release the clamp, I can slide it around, and because the slots are limited on each side, I don't always get a full range of movement when I slide the vise around, but I can always reposition the quick release. So you can improve the safety of your drill press and the repeatability of your drilling by getting an inexpensive drill vise and finding a quick release off an old bicycle somewhere.